see the magic. Hello guys, hope you are fine. And today I'm going to share one of the most beautiful and very important solution which will really help you in a couple of times. Even in the coming years it is going to overcome everything, and that is the power of AI, right? I'll show you today what is the power of AI, the AI, how it works now, and where it has been already reached. It's really important to know. And because these days just doing traditional work and you keep on coding and all that, so the time has been changed completely now. So it's really important to use and to use the AI and to increase your efficiency, because if you really want to compete with the different segments, or with even AI can help you in any field, right? So since we work with code, different kind of code, we are in IT, so this is one of the most important tools for all of us these days. So I'll show you that how you can do, and what is my requirement. I'll tell you exactly what is my requirement. That my client has given me a table, right? This is the table, and he has given it to me. It's very long table. It's a very long table, right? Even below there, it's the completely, if you can see, 19 pages are there, right? So what I need to do, he just said that he needs this table on a tabular form properly, and that too responsive as well, because the people are using different kind of devices. Sometime you might have seen the people use 1600 pixels, and different kind of screens are there, right? So it should be very responsive. That's really important, right? So I'll show you without taking much time. Let's come to the point that what exactly we need to do. I just want this table on a very organized way here under this portfolio. So to what I'll do, I'll just open this editor. I'm using this Elementor. You can use it on with the plugins also. You can even directly traditionally, if you are using, I'm using Sublime Text, so directly you can save if it is in HTML or in any other editor, so you can use anywhere, right? But it will work everywhere. And since I'm working on this Elementor, so I'll show you how you can do it in the Elementor. So I have first I have to do, I need to create a section for that, right? Type HTML. This is the widget, built-in widget with every Elementor, and even for the WordPress as well. Here I need the code, right? You can type the HTML code here, and if you just need the CSS for that, so custom CSS is also there, right? Here you can use custom CSS as well. So what exactly we need to do, I'll show you. First we need to use ChatGPT for that. I have already done that, though I was just trying before show it to you. What did I do? I have just written that, hi, can you help me to create a data table in tabular form using HTML, CSS, or anything you feel necessary, right? It can use JS also, or if it is important to but mostly table can be created in HTML, CSS, or maximum in JavaScript. I have written that please make it beautifully format, and most importantly it should be responsive for most of the devices, because it's very important, right? You may use as many as breakpoints if you feel, because sometime if somebody is using on tablet, phablet, mobile, even the mobile, the screens are different. So I have just given it that different kind of breakpoints you can use it. So it is very intelligent tool. It knows that it will show you. So I simply submit it, right? And when I submit it, it has given me this data, this code, right? So this is the code, right? Simply everybody knows that tr, td and all that, but if you go do it manually, it is going to take hours and hours, right? So what I'll do, that I'll simply copy it, right? And what I'll do now, I have this section HTML and I'll paste it and see the magic. Even I did not mention that the first row should be green, though you can change the style. If you just want to change from here, you can change anything. For example, if you just want to type anything, monospace, I mean, and any font family, I don't know, right? So let it be what it is. You can change the color as well. For an example, I just want to black color, see, this kind of, right? So there are many things you can do with the, because it has started from the style, and you can do the style thing separately. I have already shown it to you here under this. You can ask this chat GPT that give the CSS files separately, so it will certainly give you that, but it won't make much difference because it's going to work, right, perfectly fine. And now I'll just publish it, and let's see the magic. See the magic. This is the power of AI, right? What ChatGPT did, and now we can customize it. If you just want to highlight anything, you can go, the color can be changed, anything. I just want to do it red or something, or border should be red or anything. You just want to make border 10 pixels, see, so it will work perfectly fine, right? So this is very important, guys, please. And if you really like this kind of videos, please just do like it and subscribe. And if you have any kind of questions in your mind, you can comment it. I'll try to answer it, anything. So, and it is responsive also, see, right? Very responsive, right? You can check on your mobile, same thing. It's very easy, and it is magic, simply magic. I have just done even more complex operations from the chat GPT that you won't believe that what kind of task I am getting it done from the chat GPT also. So it's really very useful. So please use it, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.